In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn off HDR videos on Instagram. So first of all, open the Instagram application. You can see over here it has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for your app and media, you'll be able to find this option for data usage and media quality. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In the iOS devices and some of the Android devices, you'll be able to find the option for disable display of HDR media. What you have to do is simply toggle that button on. But for most of the Android devices, that option will not be available. So what you can do is simply turn on the data saver. Toggle this button on right next to the option for data saver. Once you do that, the videos won't load in advance. Also, the videos will not be of the top quality. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you turn off HDR quality on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.